Replacing an old or damaged door is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's appearance, comfort, and security. However, many homeowners worry that a door replacement project will require a large investment. Fortunately, there are several budget-friendly solutions that allow homeowners in Love's Park to upgrade their doors without sacrificing quality or performance. Whether your existing door is drafty, difficult to operate, or simply outdated, choosing the right replacement door can provide long-term value while staying within your budget. Modern materials, energy-efficient designs, and a wide range of styles make it easier than ever to find affordable options that meet both practical and aesthetic needs. Recognizing when it's time for a replacement, many homeowners delay replacing doors because they assume repairs will solve the problem. However, certain signs may indicate that replacement is the more cost-effective option. Common warning signs include drafts around the door, difficulty opening or closing, visible damage or warping, moisture intrusion, rising energy bills, worn or outdated appearance. An aging door can affect comfort, energy efficiency, and security. Replacing it at the right time can help prevent larger issues and reduce ongoing maintenance expenses. Vinyl and fiberglass offer affordable solutions. Modern replacement doors are available in several materials, but vinyl and fiberglass are often among the most budget-friendly choices. Fiberglass doors offer excellent durability and can mimic the appearance of wood while requiring very little maintenance. They resist dents, warping, and moisture damage, making them a practical long-term investment. Vinyl options also provide strong energy performance and low maintenance requirements. These materials allow homeowners to enjoy attractive, durable doors without the upkeep often associated with traditional wood products. Improve energy efficiency and lower costs. Older doors may allow air leaks that make heating and cooling systems work harder throughout the year. Modern replacement doors often include insulated cores, energy-efficient glass inserts, weather-stripping, tight ceiling systems, durable thresholds. These features help reduce drafts and improve indoor temperature control. Better energy efficiency can contribute to lower heating and cooling costs while making the home more comfortable. For many homeowners, the potential energy savings help offset the cost of the new door over time. Entry doors that enhance curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things visitors notice about your home. Replacing an outdated entry door can significantly improve curb appeal without requiring a major renovation. Many affordable replacement doors are available in various colors, finishes, and decorative styles that complement different home designs. Simple upgrades such as decorative glass, modern hardware, or updated panel designs can make a noticeable difference while staying within budget. An attractive front door can refresh the appearance of the entire home. Consider patio door replacement. Patio doors also play an important role in energy efficiency and daily convenience. Older sliding doors may become difficult to operate or develop air leaks over time. Modern patio doors often provide smoother operation, improved insulation, and better security features. Many affordable sliding patio door options allow homeowners to upgrade their living spaces while maintaining access to outdoor areas and natural light. Replacing aging patio doors can improve both comfort and functionality. Professional installation protects your investment. Even an affordable replacement door should be installed properly to achieve the best results. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, operational issues, reduced energy efficiency, premature wear. Professional installation helps ensure the door fits correctly and performs as intended. Proper sealing and alignment contribute to long-term durability and overall satisfaction. Investing in quality installation often prevents costly repairs later. Financing and phased projects. Homeowners working within a budget do not always need to replace every door at once. Some choose to prioritize the doors that have the greatest impact on comfort, security, or energy efficiency. Replacing one or two doors at a time can make the project more manageable. Many contractors also offer financing options that help spread costs over time, making upgrades more accessible for homeowners. Planning the project carefully can help maximize value while staying within budget. Long-term value beyond the initial cost. While affordability is important, homeowners should also consider the long-term benefits of replacement doors. Modern doors often provide improved comfort, better energy efficiency, reduced maintenance, enhanced security, increased curb appeal. These advantages contribute to the overall value of the home and may reduce future repair expenses. Choosing a durable, energy-efficient door can deliver benefits that continue long after the installation is complete. A smart upgrade for Loves Park Homeowners. Budget-friendly replacement doors offer homeowners the opportunity to improve comfort, appearance, and efficiency without exceeding their financial goals. With a variety of affordable materials, energy-saving features, and attractive styles available, upgrading an aging door has become more accessible than ever. For homeowners in Loves Park, investing in replacement doors can provide immediate benefits and long-term value. By selecting the right products and working with experienced professionals, homeowners can enjoy improved performance, enhanced curb appeal, and greater peace of mind for years to come.